Jai Sriman.
After that, Rama started giving all of his entire wealth to Brahmanas, Dvijaha. Not only Brahmanas, he also started giving to all his friends, Suhrut. Not only friends, but also to all the servants who works there. Bhrutya Janaha. Not only to the employees, not only to the servants, but also Adhava, Tada, Daridra, Bhikshacharanascha, Yo Bhavat. Rama giving away wealth to those who used to be begging in the streets every day. Rama did not differentiate between these categories. Rama gave same amount of respect to the Brahmins and Suhrut and Bhrutyajanaha and also to those who used to beg. Rama respected all of them very well and gave them the wealth and finally felt so happy and made sure everyone who received something from Rama is also very happy. Then finally now Rama along with Sitamma, along with Lakshmana heading towards his father's palace, Dasharatha Maharaju's palace. Rama wanted to visit Dasharatha Maharaju before he goes to the forest. That is why he is going there. Sitamma, Sri Ramachandra Swami, along with Lakshmana Swami, heading towards their father's house, palace, to see, to visit Dasharatha Maharaju before they leave to the forest. Rama and Lakshmana, both of them are wearing and holding their divine powerful weapons while they are walking in the streets. Tataha prasadaharmyani vimana sikharani cha. All the citizens, all the people, those who have decorated themselves for the Ramapattabhishekam, on the occasion of Ramapattabhishekam, all of them are crowded and together they are watching Sita Rama Lakshmana. There are so many crowds at temples, on the streets, on the main roads, and at all the buildings, and on all the top terraces of all the buildings. From everywhere, all the people are looking at so down to Sita Rama Lakshmana. They are all feeling so much grief. They are all feeling like crying together. They are all looking at Sita Rama Lakshmana. They are unable to suppress their grief within their heart. There are no any kind of protocols to Ramachandra Swami now. Nobody is serving Ramachandra Swami. Nobody is holding any umbrellas to Sita Ramachandra Swami. Nobody is doing any kind of chamara seva. Nobody is doing fanning to Sita Ramachandra Swami. There is no chariot to Sita Ramachandra Swami. They are walking. They are just walking in the streets. The one Ramachandra Swami, the one while he is walking, where there are so many of all the divine army forces comes together along with Ramachandra Swami. Such Ramachandra Swami is by himself walking in the streets while crores of people are watching, where the one Ramachandra Swami who is able to enjoy, who used to enjoy all the luxuries, all the pleasures, all the comforts in the palaces, that Ramachandra Swami is now walking in the streets while so many citizens are noticing and watching. witnessing such that Ramachandra Swami, the one who is able to gift and donate and make charities, do charities so unlimitedly, that Ramachandra Swami gave away all of his wealth to each and every one and made sure everybody is happy. Then Ramachandra Swami now started walking in the streets. Why, न इच्छति एव अनृतं कर्तुं पितरं धर्मगौरवात्. Because Ramachandra Swami respects, honors, observes and always follows dharma, because of that he is walking in the street now. Because he loves his father, that is why he is walking in the streets. Because he doesn't want his father to get any kind of black spot on his fame, that is why Rama is walking in the streets. Right next to Rama, Sitamma is there. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone, unconditionally. O Sriman as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.